Well, after months of an outstanding warrant for his arrest, Daniel Bonnier, the owner of the notorious Slate Ridge in West Paulet, is now in custody.
This afternoon, Bonnier answered to new criminal charges in a case that stems from refusing to dismantle his firearms training facility.
NBC5's Amanda Martin-Ryan was in court for Bonnier's arraignment today, and she joins us now live from the courthouse with more on this case against him. Hi, Amanda.
Jack, Liz, Bonnier has been able to avoid jail time since last year, but after his first court appearance today, he's stuck behind bars for the time being unless he can pay his $15,000 bail. Bonnier pleading not guilty Thursday following his arrest Wednesday afternoon when a Paulet constable pulled over a car for speeding and found Bonnier in the passenger seat. According to court documents, the constable tried taking Bonnier into custody, but he resisted, calling the constable a dirty cop. Pepper spray was used on Bonnier, leading to him physically attacking the constable, leaving him with visible injuries.
Here we have a one-count felony. It's a charge of aggravated assault involving a law enforcement officer performing his duties, so it is a felony and it does involve an act of physical violence.
Setting a bail for Bonnier, the biggest question in the courtroom because of his history with the law. Bonnier's refusal to shut down operations and remove buildings from his Slate Ridge property as ordered by a Vermont court in 2021 earned him a warrant for his arrest nearly 4 months ago. His public defender argues that the years-long case should be handled separately from Wednesday's incident.
We don't feel that that's necessary under these circumstances, Judge, so we'd ask the court to impose the non-monetary conditions requested by the state.
But the prosecution views the altercation as just the latest incident added to Bonnier's list of criminal charges in both Vermont and New York. The state prosecutor adding there is an additional charge for Bonnier's outstanding warrant. All reasons argued for a $15,000 bail be set.
Mr. Bonnier's recent conviction from New York for violation of court orders seem to suggest that the answer is no. The defendant will not abide by the court's orders as it relates to appearing before this court.
The judge siding with the prosecution, going as far as to say Wednesday's incident alone deems Bonnier a flight risk in the eyes of the court.
Ended up, according to the allegation, assaulting the law enforcement officer, which is clear evidence of flight to avoid, attempts to avoid coming to court, flight to avoid prosecution.
Now, if convicted, Bonnier faces up to 5 years in prison, a $5,000 fine, or both. From Rutland, Amanda Martin-Ryan, NBC5 News.